Did you know that with just a 700 plus credit score, anyone in the United States can access $50,000, $100,000, or even $250,000 in business funding without putting up collateral or using any of your personal cash? But most business owners get denied simply because they just don't know the right steps. And so in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to get approved for high limit business credit. And here's the best part. You don't need to build your business credit at all. You can leverage your personal credit and get funding fast. And make sure to stick around because at the end of the video, I'm going to share a game-changing tip that can literally 10x your approvals. But with that being said, let's jump into it. The first thing is that before banks lend you anything, they will always check your personal credit. I don't care what else you see online or what anybody else says, your personal credit is the foundation to accessing business credit. And so when I say that, I'm not just talking about the score, I'm talking about your overall personal credit profile. And so if you just have a 700 plus credit score but nothing else, that's not enough. Lenders also look at credit utilization. So if you're using more than 10% of your overall personal credit and you're carrying balances, not paying it back, and you're just holding that, that looks like a red flag to the bank. Number two is late payments. So just having one late payment pop up on your credit report can drop your credit score by over 100 points and kill your chances of getting approved. And number three is recent inquiries. And so too many applications within a short period of time makes you look like a risky borrower. And so if your credit is not in top shape, fix it first. Pay down balances, remove negative items, and dispute anything inaccurate before moving on to the next step. Step two is building your credit. Now, even if your credit is clean, lenders want to see that you've been able to handle large credit limits over extended periods of time. And that goes both for loans and credit cards. And so that means that you need low utilization, keep your usage under 10% on all personal credit cards. Number two would be a mix of credit types. So the first would be revolving accounts, which are credit cards. Number two would be installment accounts. So it should be auto loans, personal loans, mortgages, anything that is in the form of a loan on your credit report. Number three would be at least 2 years of positive payment history across as many of your accounts as possible. And the longer this history, the better. And number four would be at least $15,000 in available credit on the personal side. I mean, just think about it. Why would a bank lend you tens of thousands of dollars on the business side if they've never even seen you have a $10,000 credit card on the personal side? And so if you don't have these in place, focus on strengthening your personal credit profile first before applying for business funding. Next is making sure your business is set up properly. Lenders will take your business serious when they see that it's structured properly. And so here's what you need. And so the first thing is an LLC. So not a sole proprietorship, not a nonprofit, an LLC that you use to do business. Number two is your EIN number. So think of this as your business's social security number. Number three is your business address and business phone number. And so don't use any PO boxes as your business address and don't use any personal phone numbers. And number four is that you need to set up your business bank account. And this is essential because you need to have something that separates your personal transactions from your business transactions. And so this setup makes banks trust you more, which will mean higher approvals for you. Next will be building banking relationships. And so this is where most people go wrong. They apply for funding without building a relationship with the bank first. Most banks are relationship based, so they prefer to lend to customers that they already know and trust. And so here's how you do it. And so you want to research the banks that offer the things that your business needs. So identify these first. Once you've identified which banks have the business credit products that you want to apply for, then you want to start the relationship by opening a business checking account with those banks. Number three is that you want to start making deposits regularly. The more money you could just let sit in the bank, the better. Something that people don't know is that banks need your money in order to continue to lend more money out. That's how the banking system works. So the more money that you can have with them, the more of a valued customer that you are in their eyes. And so when you talk to these bankers and you're setting up your accounts, start asking about their business credit products. You want to get on their radar and start understanding what products they offer, how they work, and what the best way to apply for them is. And so when banks see you actively using their services, they're much more likely to approve you for business funding. And this is the last step. This is the biggest secret that most people don't know. And so if you just randomly walk into the bank and submit an application, you'll most likely either get denied or get a lower limit than you were hoping for. Why? Because not every banker understands business funding. And so you need to apply through the right context. These are bankers who know how to structure your application properly. They have direct relationships with underwriters who approve the applications, and they can help you secure the highest limits possible for your business. And this exact process is what I help my clients with, so they can maximize approvals and secure $50,000 to $250,000 in business credit fast. And so if you're serious about getting $50,000 to $250,000 in business funding, we can help. And so click the link below, answer a few questions, and let's see how much funding that you qualify for. And I recommend that you don't wait. Every day that you delay is another day that you go without capital that you need for your business. So let's get you funded. And so if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss another funding tip. And check out this next video right here, where we show you exactly how to use 0% interest business funding to build a scale and grow your business. And with that being said, my name is Jalil Nash, founder of JSM Funding Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.